We want to find the 5-number summary using Excel. So I already entered the data in the absent problem, and I want to find the 5-number minimum, Q1, Q2, Q3, and maximum. If you want to arrange these numbers, you can highlight the column A, click on the letter A, and then you go to Sort and Filter. Then you will click on the first option from A to Z. It means they will go from the smaller to the larger. Again, if you don't have to do this step, then you don't have to do this step because the Excel will take care for you. Now, if we want to find the mean, we can do equal, quartile, and then open parenthesis, highlight your data, and then comma, and you see what they say, minimum value, you're gonna enter 0. So minimum will be 0, Q1 will be 1, Q2 will be 2, Q3 will be 3, maximum will be 4. Okay, so you do the same job, equal for Q1, quartile, and then highlight your data, comma, 1, then you get Q1, equal, quartile, and then highlight your data, comma, and then 2 for Q2, equal, quartile, and then highlight your data, and then enter the 3. For maximum, we do the same thing, quartile, highlight the data, and then we put 4. So this is one way. For the minimum and the maximum, we have another way to do. So for the minimum, if you don't want to use the command quartile, then you can just equal min, open parenthesis, select the data. It means that they will give you the minimum number, and the answer will be 41. For the maximum, the other command than equal max. Then we put our number in the parentheses and then enter. It will give us 100. And you record that for Q2. If you want to use quartile, then you just do like the way before. Or you can use median, because Q2 is the same as median, right? Now you hit enter.